Hi, my name is Blake Starring, and I wanted to give some feedback on Mike Dillard's mentoring program. As a struggling entrepreneur and someone that has been a part of, unfortunately, multiple startups that have failed, I was always hoping and praying and wishing I could find a blueprint that would show me exactly how to get from A to Z. Somebody that could lead me by the hand, that's been in the trenches, if you will, and had to deal with the landmines in business that we all deal with, and trying to get your vision and your dream up off the ground. And so when I discovered Mike Dillard's mentoring program, the light bulb went off. It was like, finally somebody's figured this out. They've given us a hub, if you will, a place where all the information is, where you can go to get to get in the direction that you need to go out and build a successful business, whether that's branding and marketing, your day-to-day operations, what an ideal client and customer looks like, all the way down to what you want to do potentially if you want to sell the business. So being able to have that, being able to have a place where you can go to hear from some amazing leaders that Mike has brought in, some incredible entrepreneurs that are really showing us the way and leading by example, which ultimately gives me the chance to be successful in my endeavors. So, Mike, thank you so much for putting this program together. And if you guys have looked at Mike's program or his mentoring program and wondered, what this is about, I can't recommend it enough. Go ahead, jump on board, and you'll see what it's like to finally have a clear vision of being able to accomplish your goals. So, Mike, thanks so much. Appreciate you, buddy.